In this video, we're going to discuss a proper shooting stance. The elements of a proper shooting stance are balance, comfort, consistency, and aligning the body with your natural aiming area. One of the most common shooting stances is called isosceles. This one is commonly used because of its consistency. So some of the things that you need to know about stance are that you want your weight evenly distributed, so you want both feet about shoulder width apart, and you also want to have a slight bend at the hips and a slight soft bend to the knees. I'll turn this way to demonstrate. So we want, again, a slight bend in the hips, slight bend in the knees, with our majority of our upper body moving forward. One of the most common mistakes in a shooting stance, with new shooters especially, is we call it the lean. They have a tendency to lean back. They can't feel themselves doing it. They don't know that they're doing it. We jokingly say maybe sometimes they're just trying to get away from the gun. But basically, you're setting yourself up for lack of balance, and when you experience recoil when shooting a firearm and you're leaning back, you may have a tendency to lose your balance. So again, and I'm going to use or incorporate our blue training gun. And again, my stance is going to be shoulder width apart, slight bend at the hips, slight bend at the knees. My arms are going to be in tight. I'm going to move my gun straight out. I'm going to align my sights. And in the event that I take the shot, then my body will be able to absorb the recoil in better fashion. It also needs to be understood that sometimes your position may need to be tweaked or altered due to the situation that you find yourself in. If you're in a defensive shooting situation, then you may not have the opportunity to line yourself up properly. Also, in the event that you have experienced any disabilities or any type of physical impairment, it may become necessary to change or alter your stance.